This video is going to show how to create an SR Latch SPICE model in SPICE using the modeling application. With modern electronics becoming faster and more complex, modeling realistic behavior is essential to ensure design accuracy. With the ubiquity of digital components, accurate models of digital blocks must be incorporated. New in SPICE 23.1 is the ability to quickly create an SR Latch SPICE model for accurate simulation of digital designs with a wizard-based approach. Start by opening the provided design in SPICE 23.1 or later. Select Place, SPICE Part, Modeling Application from the menu. Expand Digital Latches and select SR Set Reset. This model contains preset and clear pins which can be used to set and override the output of the latch. Here you can define the initial logic state, propagation delay, input threshold, hysteresis width, input and output resistance, and output high and low voltages. Define the parameters as required based on the device datasheet. With the model defined, click Place to attach it to your cursor. Click to place the latch in the schematic. Now let's place the simulation probes. Select the voltage level marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes on the data input and data output nets. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. To start the simulation, select SPICE Run from the menu. The SPICE AD window opened, showing the simulation results. The output latch is high when data 1 is high and low when data 2 is high. Close the SPICE AD window. Now let's modify the data input to the latch. Hold Alt on your keyboard and click and drag the first stimulus away from the design. Hold Alt and click and drag the second stimulus. Click and drag to connect the second stimulus to the data 1 net, and click and drag to connect the first stimulus to the data 2 net. Rerun the simulation by selecting SPICE Run from the menu. When the simulation finishes, view the results. The output pulses are now shifted. Quickly create the required SR Latch SPICE models and simulate accurate digital circuit behavior with the SPICE modeling application in SPICE. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.